jobs and rising incomes again. The last 3 years, we've seen in America a level of unemployment which is really unheard of, and the length of unemployment. 24 million people today out of work or stopped looking for work. We're only able to get part-time jobs and they need full-time employment. We see the median income in America having dropped 10% in just the last 4 years. I believe to get America on track to create good jobs, it helps to have a president who's had a good job, and I have. You seem to be more than slightly inclined to support my candidacy. Is that right? I'm extraordinarily moved and humbled by your support. I understand there's another room I'm about to go to. They couldn't fit everybody in here, and there are 1,000 people across the hall. So I'm going to go over there and say hi to those guys too. But I want you to know that I don't need a lot. I just need you to go on and vote. I want to make sure we win solidly in Idaho, that I get the delegates I need from Idaho to go on and get the nomination. Will you do that for me? If you do that for me, what I'm going to do for you is to make sure that when I'm in the White House, if I make that final cut, if I'm in the White House, I will make my job getting good jobs for you, helping the American people, and using every ounce of my experience and my passion for this country to get America working again with rising incomes and a bright future. I'm in this race in part because I have a wife who told me I needed to get into it again. And she said that because we have 5 sons and 5 terrific daughters-in-law and 16 grandkids, and she wanted to make sure those grandkids had a bright and prosperous future, and she knew that for that to happen, we needed a president that knew how to get this economy working for the American people. So we need 3 things. More jobs, less debt, smaller government. More jobs, less debt, smaller government. We're going to get this country going again. With your help, we're going to keep America what it has always been, the greatest nation on earth and the hope of the world. Thank you.